Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Doreen. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my favorite egg salad sandwich. So I'm going to be showing you how I make the salad and then how I assemble the sandwich. I love to eat this either for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, although I tend to eat it more during breakfast time or lunch. Not so much for dinner, but it's definitely doable. It's easy to make, it's easy to put together, it's so impressive, it's delicious, it's healthy, you just really can't go wrong. So if you want to see how I make this super delicious meal, then just keep on watching. So first things first, you want to take your hard-boiled egg and cut it with this little egg slicer one way. And then I put it, so I do it vertically and then I put it on horizontally. And this is kind of what creates a really nice size for your egg salad. Instead of having to cut your egg, this is a lot easier. So again, I just do it vertically like this. I grab onto it. And then I put it horizontally. And this is what comes out. You just want to put it into your bowl. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of light mayonnaise. One tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You could do regular, sorry, I'm actually going to do half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You can actually do regular mustard, but I like Dijon the best. Then I'm gonna slice some green onions. So let's do that. Ooh, this is a little dirty from the mayo, but I'm gonna slice some green onions. I like a lot, but you could do however much you like. So just add that into your bowl. Then I have some cilantro here, which I've already prepped. So I've already cleaned it. And I'm gonna take a nice bunch and slice that as well. This is a smaller cutting board, so probably would have been a better idea to use a larger one, but you get the drill. Okay. Now I'm gonna add this into my bowl. And you can do however much you want of the cilantro. It's really up to you. Alrighty, so now you're gonna wanna add some sea salt. I really just eyeball it. You can always taste and see. And some freshly cracked pepper. So this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna mix it up really, really well. You could already see it's starting to look so yum. So I went ahead and toasted my bagel, my favorite bagel. This is an onion bagel and I do like it really, really toasted. And this is how I make my egg sandwich. I'm actually gonna create 2 halves today, but you can definitely just do 1 half and then top it with the other bagel and make it more into a sandwich. But I start by spreading a nice amount on each bagel. So it turns out to be about 1 egg per bagel, if you think about it, because we've used 2 eggs. And that is exactly enough to make this. So if you want to make 2 sandwiches and not 2 halves, this recipe will be great as well. I'm gonna go in with some ground flax seeds just to make it a little bit healthier. You can't really taste these and they're super healthy. As well as hemp seeds. You could put whatever vegetable you feel like. So today, I really want to do some red cabbage. You could do tomato and cucumber. That's also a really good combo. And then my absolute favorite is some arugula leaves. Arugula is so healthy and it's so yummy, and I actually really love it because unlike the other mixed greens, which I also buy, but unlike the other mixed greens, it doesn't go bad in the fridge so quickly. Like with the other mixed greens, I find that if I don't eat it within a few days, they'll go bad. So with arugula, it's just amazing because it holds up really nicely throughout the week. And just to be extra fancy, you can add a little bit of your choice of hot sauce. So just a little bit, because don't forget that if you use Dijon, it's still a little bit spicy. This is it. So excited to eat this.